PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides expert AC not cooling repair in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses restore reliable indoor comfort when air conditioning systems fail to cool properly. Our experienced technicians quickly diagnose issues such as low refrigerant, clogged filters, faulty compressors, frozen evaporator coils, or thermostat malfunctions. We perform accurate repairs using quality parts and proven techniques to restore efficient cooling and system performance. Prompt service helps prevent further damage, lower energy costs, and extend the lifespan of your air conditioning system. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable AC not cooling repair services that keep your property comfortable throughout the cooling season. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC not cooling repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Why is my AC running but not cooling? An AC may run without cooling due to low refrigerant, dirty coils, clogged filters, thermostat issues, or compressor problems. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania performs thorough diagnostics to identify the exact cause and provide dependable repair solutions that restore cooling efficiency. How long does AC not cooling repair take? Most AC not cooling repairs can be completed within a few hours, depending on the complexity of the problem and parts availability. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania works efficiently to restore cooling performance while minimizing disruption to your home or business. What is your service office for AC not cooling repair? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC not cooling repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/